Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to be going over Chapter 1, Lesson 2. So the order of operations is most commonly known as PEMDAS. You may know it as also, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. There's several ways to remember it. And as you can see here, the P starts for parentheses. And as you can see here, the P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. But one thing that you must remember is that the multiplication and division, it happens whichever it comes first from left to right. And I'll explain more of that when we get to the next couple problems. And that also goes for addition and subtraction, whichever comes first, from left to right. Just like, think about it just like you're reading a book. You don't read from right to left. You read from left to right. So let's try example 4. We want to evaluate the expression 3 times 9 minus 5 squared divided by 8. So one thing I always do is I go ahead and write our little acronym up top, just so it's an easy way that you can cross it off as you use each one of them. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or whatever acronym that you use. So I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, so first thing it says is to do with the parentheses. So I look in here, 9 minus 5 is in my parentheses. So I have 9 minus 5, which is 4. I am done with that step. So I have the 3 squared divided by 8. So I'm going to cross that out. Then I have an exponent, which I do here. Remember, that is 4 times 4, which is 16. So 3 times 16 divided by 8. Then we go to multiplication or division, whichever comes first, left to right. In this case, the multiplication comes first. I know that you see that there is 16 divided by 8, but you have to follow the rules. It needs to go from left to right. In this case, we have the multiplication first, not the division. So 3 times 16 is 48, and we want to divide that by 8. Now we can do the division, which is 48 divided by 8, which gives us 6. And there's your final answer, so you don't have to worry about these other ones. Now let's try another one. This time they give us variables such as M, N, and P, but they also tell us what they will be. So I'm going to start over here. So I have 5 times M minus 2N divided by B squared. So I'm just going to show you how each one of them gets plugged in. Remember, this is a multiplication here, so it's 5 times M, which in this case is now 8, minus 2 times N, which is 4, divided by P, which is 2 squared. Notice how I didn't change anything. This is still M, this is still N, and they are both being multiplied. Haven't changed anything. And let's also put our acronym up top. Okay, so parentheses. I do have parentheses, and inside my parentheses I have a couple things going on. No exponents, multiplication or division. Well, I do have multiplication, so I need to do those first. So 5 times 8 is 40, minus 2 times 4, which is 8, divided by 2 squared. Alright, so inside of here we have subtraction now. So we do need to finish it because we need to finish the parentheses first. So 40 minus 8 is 32. And then I had divided by 2 squared. Now I can cross off the P. And we do have exponents, 2 times 2, which is 4, So 32 divided by 4, and that'll give us 8. And that's it.